The animal kingdom is a truly beautiful and breathtaking work of art, sculpted by Mother Nature herself. Everything clearly shows she's no amateur. Perfectly symmetrical outline, bright and beautiful set of colors, spot-on pattern. Just looking at some animals give us a relaxing sensation and scratches that itch we never had. However, there are some animals you'd rather not look at if you're not comfortable with goosebumps or throwing up that last lunch you had. From the ugly snub-nosed monkey to the freaky purple frog, here are 11 creepy animals that will give you the chills. Number 11. The Goliath tigerfish. The Goliath tigerfish is one of the biggest and scariest species of fish in the world. It's designed to make you not want to ever take a second look and to drive you far away from the water. The females are much smaller than the males, with the males measuring in lengths as much as an adult human being. That's why I said it's one of the largest. You heard the word tiger, so you should be expecting some large, sharp fangs, and if you're one of them, you're definitely right. The tigerfish has about 35 sharp teeth. That's almost the size of a great white shark's. They also have a bulging set of eyes, which helps them see their target, and if that doesn't work, they can sense the frequencies and vibrations of their surrounding prey, so that's pretty much no sneaking up on this one. Frankly, I don't even feel like it. They've been known to slowly circle their prey before attacking them with the aggression and speed of a piranha. Number 10. Purple frog. Frogs are normally not very attractive creatures, but this one puts the in unattractive. They have a purple color, obviously, which isn't really the best color for a frog, and a set of beady looking eyes, which you'll never unsee. They have a huge body and a smaller head, which doesn't seem to help with their looks, and on the head rests a small, pointy nose that's hard to miss, since it's their characteristic feature. They were discovered in India in the year 2003, and honestly speaking, I wish they never did. If you think this is disgusting, wait until you see the blobfish. Number 9. Brazilian treehopper. The Brazilian treehopper is one insect you'll never ever forget once you see it, due to the fact that its features aren't really like other regular insects. On their small heads rests a set of antennae that's arranged to look like a helicopter and have about 5 circles facing all directions. They have a set of wings, which are thick enough to protect their fragile abdomen from the harshness of the Brazilian forest weather. And if you're not an insect person, please do not test your luck. You will regret it. Number 8. The blue dragon. If you're very observant and have a sharp memory, you'll find out that this animal has been discussed in one of our videos. Okay, back to the topic. The blue dragon are small sea slugs that measure about 2 inches in length. They not only come in blue color, but in white too. They have 6 appendages, which serves as their means of movement, and each have a structure called a radula, which is an evidence of them being mollusks. You shouldn't be expecting to see a male and a female one, because they are hermaphrodites, so they both have male and female reproductive organs. Number 7. Myanmar snub-nosed monkey. Scientists and researchers discovered these strange-looking primates in the year 2010. However, information on its existence wasn't any news to the locals who discovered it years ago. They are very furry creatures, with their fur having an appealing color. This kinda gives the impression that they may be cute and cuddly, but if you come really close, you'll find out that this is one ugly monkey. Its lips are pink looking and doesn't really look like they should belong to a monkey. It has a very black set of eyes, which you do not want to stare into. Under the eyes are some awkward looking set of nostrils, which would only make you ask what Mother Nature was thinking when designing this creature. I wonder how they cope with their nose when it rains. Number 6. The Goblin Shark. You've seen how the movies portray anything goblin, right? So you're never going to expect anything better from the Goblin Shark, and I can assure you that they are much worse than you can imagine. The Goblin Shark has a long, ugly-looking nose and a set of detachable jaws that seem dislocated whenever they open it. On each jaw lies a set of small, sharp teeth, clumsily arranged. The nose helps them sense prey by detecting the electromagnetic pulses they emit. It may be cool, but it still doesn't change the fact that they're extremely ugly. They live deep in the ocean, up to 4,500 feet, and that's probably where they deserve to stay, so I don't have to look at them. Number 5. Giant Isopod. Apart from insects, the crustacean world are also capable of making our skin crawl. Not everyone, actually. I kinda like crabs. On a plate, that is. But the giant isopod is one of, if not, the largest crustacean to ever grace the ocean world. These creatures can get very big. By big, I mean up to 19.5 feet. And if you look well enough for them, you just might end up being surrounded by hundreds of them. They're one of the earliest crustaceans to ever live, and they can be found in the Atlantic Ocean. They have 14 legs, and their segmented exoskeleton can be divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Number 4. Blobfish. If you're squeamish, then you may want to look away so you don't throw up. Don't say I didn't warn you. These extremely ugly creatures live deep in the oceans of Australia, and frankly, I don't think any depth is deep enough for these abominations. Their deformities are caused by the fact that they are designed to stay deep down on the ocean floor and adapt to the pressure. When they are brought out of the water, there is a major pressure change, and this makes these invertebrates look like someone poured out a bowl of jelly. They can measure as much as 12 inches and mainly feed on crustaceans and other smaller fish. Those eyes and that big nose isn't something you'll forget in a hurry. I'm glad I ruined your day. Number 3. Cereal leaf beetle. These insects were once discovered to be exclusive in Europe and Asia. Now they've been discovered to crawl the farmlands of America too. They have a dark-colored back, a set of yellowish legs, and a red head. Cereal leaf beetles reproduce once in the warm periods of the year, and just looking at the larvae will give you nightmares. I'm not being overdramatic, just look at it. What you're seeing is due to the fact that once they are in the larva stage, another insect infects them with its own eggs, which then grow up to become larvae inside the larva of the leaf beetle, thus making it appear like a walking incubator machine. Number 2. Zombie snail. I really don't think anyone has a problem with snails. They're calm, look kinda cute, and most importantly, they taste great. At least, that was my opinion until I met the zombie snail. The zombie snail is an ugly-looking, unique snail that has 2 wormy-looking creatures for eyes. This is due to the fact that they're generally prone to being infected by a parasite worm known as the green bandit brood sac. This forceful invasion is done so that they can take over their entire bodies and show in their eyes. When they start showing up there, they start displaying a wide range of colors so that they can look like a colorful caterpillar and attract birds. Once the birds eat them, they can then reproduce inside their stomachs, and when they come out through the other end, their life cycle begins again. Luckily, no snails were harmed. I mean, seriously harmed during the process of their life cycle, as they only need their eyes, which are later eaten off by the birds. The snails later grow a new set of eyes and continue living their lives waiting for another invasion. Sounds kind of nice, actually. Number 1. Lampreys. There are about 38 known species of lampreys, and some are carnivorous, while others eat plants. For those who don't know what a lamprey is a jawless fish that kinda looks like a leech. The carnivorous species of lampreys feed on blood, and they do this with assistance from a circular row of sharp teeth, which they sink into the flesh of the victims and spin their bodies to open a wound. Pond owners hate these guys, as they're known to kill their fish in large amounts, causing them huge losses. However, they're eaten in some parts of the world. Which of these animals really gave you the chills? Let us know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification icon to be part of our next video. Till then, stay safe, keep exploring, bye bye.